In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add site shortcuts on Brave browser. If you want quick one-click access to your most visited websites right from a new tab, Brave makes it easy with site shortcuts. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean row of custom tiles that open exactly where you want, saving time every day. Start by opening your Brave browser. You'll want to be on a new tab page so you can see the dashboard where shortcuts live. If you're not already there, open a new tab and look to the top right of the page. Click the small gear icon in the top right corner. This opens Brave's customization panel for the new tab page. It's where you control what appears on your dashboard. In the panel, select Sites. This section manages the shortcut tiles. If the feature is off, you won't see any tiles on your new tab. So let's switch it on next. Turn the toggle switch on for Sites, then choose Favorites. Picking Favorites tells Brave to use only the websites you add instead of auto-populating with popular or recently visited sites. This gives you full control and keeps your homepage tidy. Now close the customization panel. Once it's closed, look back at the shortcut area on the new tab page. You should see a tile with a plus sign. That's the button to add your own shortcut. Click the plus sign. A small window will appear asking for the site name and the URL. In the name field, type what you want to see on the tile. Keep it short and clear, like workmail or project board, so it's easy to spot at a glance. In the URL field, paste or type the full website address. It's best to include the full link starting with HTTPS to avoid redirects or loading issues. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. Your new shortcut tile will appear on the new tab page immediately. Click it to test that it opens the right site in a new tab. A few quick tips to keep things polished. Concise names keep the layout clean, and you can add multiple favorites the same way by clicking the plus tile again. If you ever want to edit or remove a shortcut, hover over its tile and look for the Edit or Options control to make changes. And if you don't see the plus tile, make sure the Sites toggle is on and Favorites is selected, then return to a new tab. That's it. You've added site shortcuts in Brave, giving yourself a faster, more focused start every time you open a new tab.